Hey y'all, it's Desi. I've been a little busy, so I wanted to just do a quick video for you. Say Happy New Year. As you can see, it's raining outside today. It's kind of dreary, but you know, life happens and you get a lot on your mind and you just got to get stuff done. So hopefully everybody's doing well and I hope you like the video. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I've been getting up kind of early just to get to the gym and get a workout in, get the kids off to school, and I'm just kind of having my coffee. I need a little bit to get me rolling because I'm dragging today. Anybody who has one of these coffee machines, let me tell you, you'll never be able to go back to like the peasant coffee ever again because I love this thing. Like everything about it, the frother, like I just can't drink regular coffee anymore. I add a little cinnamon and sugar on the top just to make it sweet. I meal prep some pancakes just for the kids tomorrow, just so I wouldn't have a lot to do in the morning. These were gone in like, I don't know, the same day. I made a bunch of them, but they didn't really last. I also meal prepped some zucchini, some veggies, and usually I do like a sheet pan meal during the week when I gotta work or just for the kids so it's convenient. So I did some peppers and I did those too. I went ahead and seasoned up some chicken to put on the sheet pan as well. And usually I just put everything all together. I lay it all out. It's about 45 minutes in the oven with some chicken broth, and we're good to go. The kids wanted to make cookies, so we went ahead and we just made some quick chocolate chip cookies. You know those are going to be gone too. All in all, I think we got a fair amount of everything done that I wanted to do. It's winter time and everything is kind of dying off, but one thing I love, love, love is to have fresh flowers in the house. They kind of brighten you up and make you just all fuzzy inside. I really love to have fresh flowers, so I went and got some today just to put on my table. I straightened up a little in my baby girl's room and put a little bit of their little special things away just to kind of make it neat and organized for them. I decided last minute that I wanted to make a cookie butter cake just because I was bored. I didn't really have much to do after I finished cleaning up and getting the kids together. So this is the cookie butter cake, and I just went ahead and used some of the cookies that we made earlier with the kids, so they loved it.